Which skills can someone learn by joining your team? And does somebody need to know some stuff to join the team?
When we look for new members, we don't really focus on their knowledge base from beforehand. This is, of course, important for some of the positions that we want to hire people for, but in general, it's more of the motivation, the excitement of learning new things that we look for in new members. And as a member in Propulse, you will be able to do a lot of different things, but you will at least figure out how the route from idea to concept to design to finished product, that route you will get to know quite well. That's for me at least, was a great experience to start with an idea inside my head and try to get it down on the paper, then get a 3D model of it, 3D print it to get a feel of how it looks and figure out how you're going to produce this thing and test it. Then finally you have it on the launch rail and you're looking at it going straight up in the air, and you're able to inspect it afterwards and see, wow, the idea that didn't exist before it came into my head actually did a good job here. That's kind of the root thing that you will get to know. This is something you don't really get through school. So this is an important thing, in my opinion. And also, depending on what team you're in, depending on what product you are designing or which subsystem you're designing, the amount of manual skills and tasks are kind of depending. But for the guys on the mechanical team, at least, you will get to do some production. A lot of it is automated, as in CNC based, but there are some manual production on a lathe, for instance, and we use a lot of different tools for testing, so you are able to use your handy characteristics as a member of the mechanical team and also some other research and development teams that we have. So you get to become a better engineer. You get to see what it is like to actually work on something that doesn't have you don't know the answer before you have tested it out. That's a big difference from our project and the way you're taught in school.
How can someone join your team, and how do you recruit people?
Well, the way you can join our team, well, first off, you have to be a student, or as of now, you have to be a student here at NTNU. And then for joining, you can apply in our application that we have online. And we have, well, there are different phases for the recruitment, but the main recruitment happens in August, or in August, September. And yeah, the ideal candidate for Propulse is the ones that are motivated, that shows a passion for space, that wants to put in the hours needed to make a rocket, and that and working with the team is something they look forward to, and they want to and eager to learn and willing to learn. That is the most important thing we have in mind when we recruit. And yeah, in the recruit period, we have all sorts of, we have stands at the campus, and we also have a lot of things going on social media. So yeah, as of now, you have to be a student at NTNU, but yeah, we'll see. Maybe that will change in the future.